In war, there are no unwounded soldiers. World War I. This event not only reshaped the course of world history, but also left an indelible mark on the lives of billions of people. A conflict that involved great powers, where not only soldiers fought, but also the destinies of entire nations. Today, we'll dive into those events, when the world was on the brink of destruction. But we won't just revisit the past, we'll see these moments come to life. 1914. In the heart of Europe, a conflict ignites that will engulf the entire world. Artillery explosions, bloody battles, and thousands of men determined to fight for what they believed was duty and honor. But, despite the brutality, these photographs are more than just images. They are a memory of those who never came back. They are a memory of people who, in the face of war, embodied courage and resilience. Look at these faces, so young, full of life and dreams. They march off to the front with hope for victory, but their lives, like the lives of millions of others, are forever changed. These images are not just snapshots of the past. They are fragments of a reality that shook the world. Trenches, deadly gas attacks, and ruined cities, each shot captured moments of tragedy and the struggle for survival. But within these photographs, there is more than just sorrow. They also reflect incredible resolve, camaraderie, and inner strength. We see soldiers willing to sacrifice everything for their homeland, nurses risking their lives to save others, and women who replaced men in vital industries and other fields. This too is part of the story. A story of resilience and bravery in the harshest circumstances. These images give us a unique opportunity to view the events of those years through the eyes of those who lived them. Immerse yourself in moments that unfolded on the most famous battlefronts, learn about the decisive battles, and how victory, once thought impossible, was ultimately achieved. This war changed the course of history,